If you want your HVAC system to run smoothly without expensive repairs, understanding superheat and subcooling is a total game changer. Alright, so superheat is basically the temperature of the refrigerant gas above its boiling point at a certain pressure, and subcooling is how much the liquid refrigerant is cooled below its condensation point. Getting these numbers right keeps your system efficient and safe. First off, always measure superheat at the evaporator outlet to avoid guessing, because if you don't, you risk damaging the compressor. Use a good digital gauge set and thermometer for accurate readings. Adjust the TXV, thermostatic expansion valve, or metering device carefully based on your superheat readings to keep the refrigerant flow steady. For subcooling, check it near the condenser outlet. It tells you if there's enough liquid refrigerant in the system. Too little subcooling means low refrigerant charge, and too much can cause flooding. Keep an eye on these values seasonally since temperature changes affect your system's balance. Regular maintenance and proper charging with superheat and subcooling in mind prevent wasted energy and costly breakdowns. One of the biggest mistakes people make with superheat and subcooling is guessing instead of measuring, which often leads to liquid slugging that wrecks compressors. Fix this by always using proper tools for precise readings. Another common problem is setting superheat too high, causing compressor overheating and early failure. You can avoid this by adjusting the expansion valve slowly and rechecking temps after each tweak. Lastly, ignoring subcooling levels can make your system inefficient or damage components. Fix this by monitoring condenser outlet temps and ensuring refrigerant charge matches manufacturer specs. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about HVAC systems. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people who need reliable service nearby.